guys, good morning. Today is Friday 20th of November 2020 and time check, it is now 9 something guys, 9:40, or let me show you. Yes, it is 9:42. Yes, so ayun ang time natin dito sa Spain time. And Lakota is eating her cereal breakfast. Yes, she is eating her honey pops. Yes, honey pop cereal. Darling, say hi to them. Hi, good morning. Say hi. Good morning. No? And mine, I am drinking my cappuccino coffee. Yes guys, so that's our breakfast. Yes guys, and I am waiting guys, ang lakad natin today, I am waiting the message of one Filipina here in our town. Finally, there's one Filipina here in our town. Hindi na ako nag-iisa. Yes guys, grabe. So nakilala ko siya last January. Lumipat sila. They came from London and then they went to Lebanon because the husband is from Lebanon. They are here now in Spain. Yes, and today we are, yes, going out with her. Huh, Lakota? And we plan to go grocery shopping. Yes, guys, because it's Friday again. So we shop, or we go grocery shopping normally once a week, every Friday or Thursday in the afternoon. But sometimes, Mama, if yes, darling. Mama. Yes guys, so yun nga, sometimes pumupunta ako sa grocery store, or sa, sa supermarket, because guys, for example, may nakalimutan, may kulang, so I have to go and run and buy something that we need. Yes guys, but normally I prefer to go and buy bulk or maramihan konti for a week, para hindi na pabalik-balik papunta sa ano guys, sa supermarket, lalo na ngayon na pandemic, di ba? It's not that so good to mingle, yes, or to stay in a crowded. Yes guys, so yun, hindi pa ako nakapag-ayos guys. So guys, we just arrived home. Finally, we are home. So guys, we went to Aldi to buy a few stuffs. Yes. And yeah, we are at home finally. And time check is 12 quarter past 12 na ang oras guys. Yes. And umalis kami mga 10:20. Mga ganun guys. Pumunta kami sa ibang lugar, kaso nga lang, doon kasi guys, sa lugar na pupuntahan namin ay ibang probinsya ng Spain. Kaya pinabalik kami, inistap ako ng pulis. Tapos pinabalik kami. Yes, hindi nyo ba alam na na hindi kayo pwedeng lumabas sa Catalonia, sabi niya. Kaya okay, pumunta na lang kami sa city guys. Yes. So yun. Okay guys, I'm going to show you what are the things we bought from Aldi. Lakota saw this gelatin, so I bought one. And we also have this blackberry. Yes. And because they love it. So we have this butternut squash. We also bought this mortadella. Yes guys. Yeah, yan for sandwich. And I bought also another pork ribs. Ayan guys, mahaba siya. Yes, and I bought also these a pack of kitchen towel. Yes, and I bought 2 of these guys for the kids for Christmas. Yeah, so I am buying some Christmas things guys, slowly. Yes, para hindi ako may stress. Kaya Ganun na lang ang ginagawa ko. And, this one is a kilo or more than a kilo, I think. Yes, 1 kilo, guys, of carrots. And 1 bag of sweet onion. And this fresh spaghetti. Yes, guys, fresh spaghetti. This one. And this is also another kind of noodle. This is egg noodle, guys. Yes. And we also have this sausage. This one, guys, parang maitim siya, pero may mushroom siya, guys. Yes, so sausage with mushrooms. Yes. And we also have this chicken for Russell. Yes, guys. Ayan. And itong mga ito, guys, except these two, this and these, guys, are for Christmas. Yes, so I bought this grisotti. So these are breadsticks. Dalawa ang binili ko. And also these 2 crackers, guys, dalawa din, but magkaiba sila. This one is like wholemeal and this one is just plain. Yes, it's classic. Yes. And then you see integral or wholemeal, and another wholemeal here is this one. Yes. And these ones, guys, are also bio. Yes, these are organic one. Yes. So ayan, guys, dalawa na ito, but this one is not for Christmas, but it's for this weekend or anytime we want to eat. And i-partner namin ay ang guacamole. And because yesterday I bought 3 avocados, so yun ang i-partner namin, guys, guacamole. Yes, really so good. So ito lang, guys, ang mga binili namin sa Aldi. Yes. Ay, may laruan din pala sila kota na isa. Yes, so yan lang, guys, ang binili namin. Konti lang. Yes. Because, guys, what I want to make on Christmas Eve is charcuterie board. That's why bumili ako ng mga ito, mga crackers. And I check also their cheeses, but wala akong nakita na gusto ko, guys. Kaya ito muna ang mga nabili ko. Yes, maybe sa butcher's shop. Yes, they have different kinds of cheese doon. So, I'll probably buy the cheese that we are going to use it, guys. Yes, for Christmas Eve. Yes, so I'm really preparing na, guys. Yeah, kasi ngayon, ang sabi ko a while ago that I really don't want to be stressed kasi mahirap na, and then buying presents also. So sa online na lang ako bumibili, guys, ng mga presents for the kids or clothes, ganun, and shoes. We have a shoe shop here, so maybe dito na lang ako bibili, but for clothes, ganun, sa online na lang. Alam ko naman kung ano ang size ng mga bata, and it fits perfectly. Yes, sa awa ng Diyos. Kaya, yun, guys. So, guys, maliit lang kasi ang Aldi doon sa pinuntahan namin. Kaya, kunti lang ang mga nabili ko, guys. Yes. So, kayo, guys, ano ang ginagawa nyo? Are you preparing for Christmas already, or are you still thinking? So, comment down below, guys, kung ano ang mga ginagawa nyong preparation for Christmas. So, habang nasa labas kami kanina, guys, may dumating na 3 packages. What are you eating, darling? What's that?
Fruit.
Yeah, fruit. Very good, darling. Blueberries. Yummy? Yummy?
Yes.
Very good. Inubos nila kuta. Inubos niya yung isang pack, guys. She is enjoying, so. Ay! Ay, ay, ay! Cookie! Look, mommy here. Naglalaro siya guys, kaya super kalat. Yummy, ha? Yes? They really love fruits, guys. Yum. Look guys, as in inubos niya yung isang ganito. They really love it, guys. Yes, Hailey, when Hailey's at home, she will probably want also. So, ayan guys. So guys, niluto ko na yung sausage na may mushroom. Hala, patayin ko na baka masunog pa. Yes guys, so this is now the sausage with mushrooms. Yes, ito ang lunch namin guys. Compliment guys ng lunch namin, itech. Yes. So, ayan, looks so good. Si Russell, tahol ng tahol, kumain na nga siya. Inuna ko na nga si Russell na pinakain para hindi na siya tatahol pa. Ayun, tahol ng tahol ulit. Ano guys, as in palagi siyang nagugutom. Dinadiet namin siya guys kasi as in na tumaba siya. Tapos nakita ng ano guys, may teacher kasi si Russell guys, may lesson siya every Thursday. Kumuha kami ng trainer, dog trainer. And this trainer, he comes every Thursday evening. And he said that Russell is fat. Yes guys, kasi pag ako guys ang magpakain, as in na ang dami ang binibigay ko sa kanya. And now he is not allowed to eat rice. Meat na lang siya guys. Meat ng meat. Yun. So, as in na nabawasan na ang kanyang timbang. Okay na, may shape na ang kanyang body guys. Kaya we are so happy. Tapos, yun nga, pag makita niya na nandito ako sa kitchen, tahol siya ng tahol kasi ang alam niya, I'm preparing food for him. He is so funny. Hello guys, so tapos na kaming kumain and now I'm going to put Lakota down for a nap guys. Patulugin ko si Lakota guys and then I will continue cleaning all this. Yes. Kasi guys, marami kasi kaming mga natira na food these days and yun ang pinainit ko, hindi na ako nagluto. Ang niluto ko lang kanina ay yung, guys, yung longganisa, as I've said, na compliment food. So, yun guys. Yes. So, yun guys, hindi na ako nagluto. Kaya, marami akong Tupperwares here to wash and yeah, yun nga ang sabi ko guys, napatulugin ko muna si Lakota and then I will continue tackling this. So guys, nakauna din ang aking dishwasher. Yes, kaya ito na lang ang ating i-hand wash. So my husband just finished his work.
Yes.
It's 4 something already. Yes. And he's going to pick up Hailey at school.